It's a wonderful team and wonderful, race program that we had. And moreover, it was a very good learning here. Hi everyone, Adab, Assalamu Alaikum. This is Shoaib here, Sayyid Shoaib. And it's a very proud moment for me. After 2 years of hard work, finally I got the masters. I had like wonderful mentors, Dr. Simha, Dr. Shino, RP sir, Pradipta sir, Bismillah Kani, lot of mentors, okay? These mentors have helped us a lot. We grew a lot in terms of our domain knowledge, especially on our capstones. We did some real-time work, okay? The project which I did, especially on the food part, that if a product comes into the market, right, that is going to be, shutting down all the businesses. So that level of, research work that we have done here, especially on the master's part. So we have got a lot of, help, guidance, and especially it's a proud moment for us, not only for people like us, where we were dealt like there was no age bar for learning, okay? So it's always saying, learning happens from the cradle to the grave. So the age is just a number here. When we came here, we came as a coons here. Now we have grown up, we are mature enough, we'll be able to take on the world, especially from the AI perspective. Getting into AI, doing a master's in AI, I can prove myself like, I'm something in this world, okay? Through this something, we'll be able to deliver much more, okay? It's how we give back to the society. So this is what we have learned here. And inshallah, hope so, a lot of people will come here, they'll grow, not only as an individual, but as a kind of a team, how exactly they will be able to deliver good products here. And especially in kind of law-abiding citizens, right? How exactly what community which become right, will be able to give more for a community also. It's always, serving back for the community. So it's a wonderful team and wonderful, race program that we had. And moreover, it was a very good learning here. And this is a learning which will continue till we die here. So thank you. Thanks a lot everyone for this wonderful opportunity. And may Allah bless you all. Thank you.